Internet marketing. There are a multitude of ways to grow your business through the internet, and the possibilities are growing by the minute. For example, advertising. Advertising online includes search engine marketing, or SEM. For example, Google AdWords, Yahoo search marketing. Display advertising, that's ads within a certain platform such as Facebook or LinkedIn, as well as banner advertising or classified advertising. Mobile advertising, and affiliate marketing. For the benefits, you're not limited in geographic reach, and you can be highly selective in choosing your target audience. Social networking. Examples are Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Tumblr, Instagram, Reddit, and many more. For the benefits, social networking gives you an increased brand recognition and brand loyalty. Furthermore, because you're being social with people, you'll have higher conversion rates. There should also be a decrease in marketing costs. Blog networks and communities. You can educate and build expert status through blogging. You can expand your influence through DMOZ, Alltop, Technorati, and hundreds of others. For the benefits, there's almost no cost except for your time. Links from blogs to your website give it a higher ranking in the search engines. Also, it's possible to get a temporary stream of traffic from your blog to your website in a short period of time. Search engine optimization, or SEO. While advertising on Google and Yahoo can instantly get your website at the top of the page of a search result, SEO is the practice of getting your website ranked at the top of search engine results without advertising. For benefits, in an uncrowded market, it's much easier to get your website ranked at or near the top of the search engines. Furthermore, your customers will tend to trust your site more over those that pay advertising costs to be there. And clicks to your website are free. Online press releases. You can make a company announcement and send it to all the media outlets using online press releases. If you're fortunate, a media outlet might pick up your story, and then you'll get increased exposure, which might lead to sales. For the benefits, press releases give your business credibility and the chance to have media outlets interview you. One media interview could have 5 times or more the impact of a paid ad in the same media. The links from press releases also help with your search engine optimization. Video marketing. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, a video can have an even greater impact on your target market. You can post videos on YouTube or hundreds of other sites, or you can live stream through Facebook Live or other sites. For the benefits, videos can be engaging and memorable if they're done well. They can also tell a greater story with more depth and emotion than the written word. They're easily shared and are a powerful medium. These are 6 principal ways to market on the internet. You don't have to be an expert in all these things. You do have to have a relative expert on your staff, or you need to outsource it. Now think about this. If you're getting 1,000 leads a year from the internet, is it conceivable that you could grow that by 5% without much effort? 5% is just 50 leads a year. That's only 1 lead a week. With any minimal effort, we could accomplish this and much, much more. And that easy 5% could lead to an impact of 12.5% on your profits. Here's one idea right now to get you started. Write out your list of the top 10 most frequently asked questions you hear from your prospects and clients. Secondly, write out the top 10 questions that they should be asking. These are the questions that they need to know about your product or service, but don't. Remember this important marketing truth. People want to do business with an expert, someone who can help them accomplish their goals and objectives. These 20 questions position you as the expert. The first 10 questions answer all of the questions they have about what you do, and the next 10 establish your credibility and begin to build rapport. The content you're providing educates, informs, entertains, and builds rapport with your prospects. That gives them a sense of connection with you and creates an emotional relationship. The third step is to record a short 30-second to 2-minute video for each of the 20 questions. You can do this with a simple cell phone these days. The fourth step is to create a landing page where people can subscribe to get all your videos or to learn more about you and your business. This captures their contact details and allows you to continue to educate and market to them through a drip campaign. The final step is to upload your videos to as many video sharing sites as possible. Once you submit your content, the search engines will gobble up your videos in a few hours and you'll be indexed. Search engines love video, and within 24 to 48 hours, you'll start seeing your organic rankings rise dramatically and begin to see an increased number of prospects coming to your site. When a prospect watches any of your videos and then visits your site, they're 5 to 20 times more likely to take action than they would from an ordinary link or a paid advertisement. One more thing, you can repurpose the transcript of your videos and create mini blogs around them, or you could take the audios and use them in podcasts. In this way, you reach an entirely different market. Are you beginning to see how you could easily increase your leads by just 1 a week? That might equate to a 12.5% impact on your profits. As you can see from the options at our disposal, there are a multitude of ways for any business to immediately increase both revenue and profits. Here's to your success.